This is ours.
Oh, it's coming.
Yeah, this is ours.
So this is the boat ride from Vilnius Airport to the hotel. In Vilnius right now, checking in at the Corner Hotel. Corner Viešbutis, safe and clean. It's very cheap here. We paid 50 euros for one night. Very nice. So let's check in.
Yes.
That's it. Here you're gonna eat breakfast here. Yeah, nice, very nice. And to think it's very cheap. Of course, it's not always cheap. We got a good deal from booking.com. And they have umbrella if the weather is bad. Use card anymore, only codes to enter the room. So modern, no card. Okay, now we're going up. So, oh, here we are. I look so tired.
62.
Okay.
62.
Yeah, you did wrong. I don't have to show that. This is the new section, new part of Corner Hotel. I like Corner Hotel. Nice decor. Maybe we pass because we're so excited. You know, because it's just that's exactly the place where I said, hold the camera. Oh, the same room like we had last time, but different section, different area. Oh, I like it. It's kind of a bit different compared to the one we had last time. We're gonna close the curtain for some privacy.
Oh, man, this.
And yeah, but we don't need to have free breakfast. But I have it if you want. And this is very nice. Nice sheets.
I can live with that.
Nice. I'm not gonna cut.
It's natural.
Nice
you know?
art. I'm gonna take picture. No smoking. The fine will be 100 euros. You see that? 100 euros fine if you smoke.
Nobody
See?
likes smoking people anymore.
You know, I remember before the first time we stayed here, it was really old style, but look at this now. Nice. Simple, but nice. You know, practical. Look, you just have to buy. You don't have to have a built-in. It's very practical. Look, everything you need, because it's small, you don't need to have a built-in. And simple styles. This is just cement. They didn't change. This is the old style, but then it works. Why change if it still works? And bath. It's not bad. What is that black thing there? It's just scratched from the original. So they saved what they could save. You can put some stuff here. Here you dry your towels here. You turn it on. You plug it here, and it will dry your towel. So they have soap for your shower and hand soap. Oh, they have here these products. So that's it. And what else? This is also movable. You see, because it's a small room, they don't need big cabinets. They just need something where you can put stuff. Very smart solution. And for the side table, they don't need the built-in actually. This is very smart and easy. So for ordinaries, I can, we like to renovate houses. So I'm very interested. Look at this one. So there you have a light. I have to turn it on. To activate the light, let's put it on. There you go. Why it's not turning? There's a light there, Ah, yeah. Okay, let's see. There you go. Oh, you have control there too. There, it's very nice. So you can use this also if you want to read. You have a book to read, you can do that. I like this. I like this. I like this idea, the concept, everything. It's very simple, cheap, and this one will save them a lot of money because of scratches. This is almost scratch proof, so they don't have to paint the whole thing, the whole wall. And that's the fridge here, I guess. Yeah, it's the fridge. And here, just to fill it up, you don't need a drawer. It's cheaper. Here it's removable, the same. Here and the same. Okay, that's it for today. We are very tired, and we just gave you a room tour, hotel room tour, and see you tomorrow.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Good morning. We're gonna eat breakfast. Checkout time.